bestie, welcome to Maru's Tech, where tech is explained clearly, simply and without pressure. No matter where you're watching from, Africa, Asia, Europe, the Americas, or anywhere in the world, you are 100% welcome here. In today's video, I'll be guiding you step by step through which how you can use UDP Thunder VPN safely and correctly, so you can browse with more privacy, access content responsibly, and understand what's really happening behind the scenes. No confusing tech words, no rushing, just calm, clear explanations like your tech bestie sitting right next to you. So if you have ever sounded, if VPNs setting up these VPNs like UDP Thunder have ever sounded complicated or intimidating, don't worry, I've got you. We'll take it slow, and by the end of this video you'll feel the confident and informed. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to Maru's Tech, and then drop your country in the comment section or questions in the comment section. I'll read them all. Alright, base, let's go. Let us head over to Google Play Store and then we download a VPN application code. In this case, we're going to be setting UDP Thunder VPN, this VPN application. Install this application in your mobile device and enable it if it is disabled, or after installing it, make sure to open. I'm going to guide you how to set it up. So if you open this application, you're going to be seeing such kind of dashboard, but remember that this tutorial is for information, research and education purposes only, so users are requested to follow the community guidelines, network service providers terms and conditions, and then let us continue. Press OK right here, and then after you're going to come, before continuing, you're going to come right here on those three lines. After, you're going to place update button right here, and then it will check for updates until you see a word that no update available. Then we're going to just come right here where you have the start button and connect this VPN application. Allow the VPN service, and then after, wait for a few seconds. This application will be connected successfully, and if it fails to connect, ensure to put on the airplane mode. Make sure that you put on the airplane mode. Make sure you are using the right network, and then after, why isn't it connecting? Let us see the servers. We are leaving right here when this VPN application is connected. Select any of those servers and then try again to connect. As you see, it has connected. It has connected successfully. Hope you have watched this video, and if you are interested, subscribe, like the video and share it to your friend. I sign out.